Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use SolidWorks 2025 Sweep Boss well on it. Now I am first of all open the SolidWorks software, then select new page and select part and select OK. Now select here plane. I am going to select front plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch from origin, horizontal line and angle line and horizontal line. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 35 and this line degree 95 and this line height 50 and this line dimension 35. Okay, select. Now I am going to fillet 10 fillet. Okay. Now go to feature and sweep boss. Now select hair circular. Now give the value 15. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.